Alright, Grandma. Guess what?
Open the door.
This-
That's
Oh,
how you
it feels so good.
make it rain. All right, kill it. Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna do this because you don't know how to hold it.
I got it. Wait. No, it's not this. Sorry, go ahead.
Come on, man.
Thank you.
Of course.
Good job, Dylan. Good job.
Are you gonna do?